Plants make their own food through photosynthesis, which happens inside chloroplasts. Not all plant cells have chloroplasts, so not all of them can photosynthesize. Most plants have the highest number of chloroplasts in the cells of their leaves. Chloroplasts are mostly inside the cells in the middle layers of the leaf. For photosynthesis, chloroplasts also need plenty of water and carbon dioxide. Water is brought to the cells in the leaf along the veins. Carbon dioxide diffuses into the leaf from the air through tiny holes called stomata. Stomata allow gases to diffuse in and out. The gases can easily diffuse through the air spaces between the cells inside the leaf. Chloroplasts contain green pigments called chlorophyll. They are essential for photosynthesis as they capture energy from sunlight. This energy helps water and carbon dioxide to react together. Leaves are very thin, so it is easy for sunlight to reach these cells. On warm, sunny days, plants can make more carbohydrate than they need to use immediately. So they store some of it for use later on, perhaps at night, or at a time of year when there is less sunlight. Plants store carbohydrates as starch. They store the starch inside the chloroplasts in their cells. The field of lettuce can be considered a giant carbohydrate factory. Plants require minerals for various essential functions that support their growth, development, and overall health. Like minerals that we need in our diet, plants need only quite small quantities of minerals. They get these minerals from the soil, through their roots. Two important minerals for plants are magnesium and nitrate. Magnesium is needed to make chlorophyll. If a plant does not have enough magnesium, its leaves look yellow instead of green. It cannot grow well because it does not have much chlorophyll to absorb energy from sunlight, and so it cannot photosynthesize as much as it should. Nitrate contains nitrogen atoms. These are needed so that the plant can convert carbohydrates to proteins. Proteins are essential for making new cells so that the plant can grow well. Without enough nitrogen, leaves die and the plant stays small. Nitrogen is also needed to make chlorophyll. Sometimes the soil does not contain enough of certain minerals. This stops the plants growing to their full potential. Farmers add fertilizers to their fields. Fertilizers contain minerals, which makes the crops grow larger and produce a higher yield, the quantity of crop that the farmer harvests. Farmers can test the soil in their fields to find out exactly which minerals are lacking in each part of the field. This tells the farmer where they need to add fertilizer and where it is not needed. Farmers who can afford the latest technology can use GPS with their machinery, so the farmer can easily control how much fertilizer is added in each part of the field.